this video, we'll walk through uploading files so you can start creating a searchable bank of transcripts that you can refer to for insights, notes, and more. Let's get started. Your dashboard offers multiple ways to upload content. The simplest method? Just drag and drop your files directly onto the page. Or, if you prefer, click to browse your computer. Have content online? Simply paste the URL for any video or audio file. For a different way to upload, look to the top right corner. The plus icon lets you upload files instantly, while the record button opens our desktop recorder. Perfect for capturing audio in face-to-face interviews without needing a meeting platform. Speaking of meetings, the Meeting Hub is your go-to for calendar integration. Connect your Google or Microsoft Calendar, and Rev Note Taker can automatically join your meetings. Need to add Rev Note Taker to a specific meeting not on your calendar? Just paste the meeting URL and we'll handle the rest. Away from your desk for a deposition or interview? Our mobile app puts Rev's power in your pocket. Tap the speaker button in the bottom right to start recording instantly, or use the plus button to upload files and paste URLs. The Meetings tab lets you manage your calendar connections right from your phone. It's easier than ever to get the accurate transcripts you need, wherever you are.